It starts like any normal day. People are working, scrolling their phones, living their lives. Nothing feels different until the sky changes. At first, it's subtle. A strange light, not the sun, not the moon. Something else. People look up, confused, curious. Then suddenly, massive objects appear, silent, floating, unimaginably large, hovering over cities, over oceans, over entire countries. And in that moment, the world stops. No one understands what's happening. Phones come out, cameras start recording, social media explodes. Are these aliens? But there's no sound, no message, no movement, just presence. And that's what makes it terrifying, because the unknown is always the most dangerous. Now think about this. If aliens arrive on Earth, they are already far more advanced. Their technology, their intelligence, everything is beyond us. So the real question is not, can we fight them? It's, what do they want? Because intention changes everything. Scenario 1. They come in peace. No attack, no destruction, just observation, maybe communication, trying to understand us. In that case, panic becomes the biggest threat. Because humans fear what they don't understand. Governments try to respond. Scientists try to decode signals. But the world is unstable. Fear spreads faster than truth. Now scenario 2. They don't communicate. They just watch. Days pass. Nothing happens. But tension builds. Because silence creates anxiety. People start preparing, stocking supplies, staying indoors. The world slowly shifts into survival mode. And then, scenario 3. Hostile intent. No warning, no message, just action. Power grids fail. Communication systems collapse. Strange energy pulses hit cities. And suddenly, the strongest species on Earth feels powerless. Now what do you do? Because this is not a war you understand. This is not an enemy you recognize. First rule, don't panic, because chaos will kill faster than aliens. Second, stay informed. Follow reliable information. Ignore rumors, because misinformation spreads faster than reality. Third, find safe shelter, away from large crowds, away from major cities if possible, because cities become targets first. Now here's something important. If they are advanced enough to reach Earth, they don't need to destroy everything. Which means survival might depend on staying unnoticed, staying low, staying out of conflict. Because resistance without understanding can make things worse. Now imagine this moment. You're inside your home. Lights flicker, devices stop working. Outside, the sky glows. Strange sounds fill the air. You don't know what's coming next, and that uncertainty is the real fear. Because humans rely on control, and now there is none. But here's the truth. Alien arrival doesn't automatically mean extinction. It means change, massive change. And survival will depend on adaptation, on awareness, on staying calm in a world that no longer makes sense. Because in that moment, you don't need to be the strongest, you need to be the smartest. So if aliens ever come to Earth, remember this. Observe, don't panic. Stay hidden if needed. Follow real information. And most importantly, adapt. Because when the unknown arrives, the ones who survive are the ones who stay in control, even when everything else is not.